Hola, it's Gabby here for Crafty Gabby, and today I'm going to make a card using the stamp set that is called Totally Awesome. They are very cute frogs. At the beginning, I stamped the one with the hands up, one hands up, and the two hands up, but I'm going to use only the one with two hands up, and I'm going to stamp it twice. Um, the other one I'm going to keep it for a future project because it didn't work with the paper that I put in the background. I coloring them with my copy markers. I'm using different types of green, and I'm going to color the belly in light green or like lemon yellow, and it's not difficult coloring. It's just simple coloring, just like three greens, and I'm going to use a very dark green to make the warts of this or spots of the frog that I also going to change in the video later on. I just finished with the coloring and cut them. You can use the dies if you want, but I just want to fussy cut them. And as you see there, the spots in the um, frog or toad. I don't know what is the difference. Maybe the toads are fatter. I don't know. Um, and I add in some details with coloring pencils. I showed the difference between one without the coloring pencils and one with the coloring pencil. As you see, I go around with my memento marker to make it like I cut them just right. And in the die cuts from the set comes this lily pad. I just cut them and want the lily pad to be different coloring and texture that the frogs. Is for that I color them with my distress ink, and I also going to add the forest moss, but I was going to add it with the blending tool, but I decide to add it with the dabber because it's going to be just in the borders. I add a little details in the lily pad using my distress markers. I also going to grab two scrap piece of paper in white, and I'm going to color one in light pink and one in dark pink. I'm going to use this to cut some leaf from Don't Found, I think, die cut set, and use it to make I think it's called Little Flower. I really don't know, but well, I'm going to cut the flower for the lily pad. when I'm finished making the flower, I'm going to get a frame. I have just one cut in white. You can cut this one in brown or whatever color you're going to use, but I needed brown, and I didn't think that that I can cut it in brown paper, but I just cut it with my Copic markers, and I'm going to make a mix using school glue. I normally do this with Mod Podge, but this time I use school glue, and I'm going to add this it's like a dirt, like a dust powder or wood dust, something like that. And I'm going to add also glitter, distress glitter in brown and in black. I'm going to use this mix and go all around the frame. While the frame is drying, I'm going to use this corrugated paper. It's a very strong paper, it's craft paper on the back, and I'm going to use my distress ink in a little bit darker color than the paper is, and I'm going to start adding a little bit of color in the top of the paper. I'm not pressing at all, I'm just going lighter in the top. I also going to spray with shimmer to give them a little bit of shiny, because this is going to be the water where the frogs are going to float. Now that the frame is dry, I'm going to glue the frame into my panel, but before that I'm going to glue my panel to my card base. As you see here, as I say, in the back of the paper is craft paper, and it's a very strong paper. It comes in beautiful colors. It's for that I bought it, and I'm going for sure use it again and again. I'm gluing right now my frame, and I'm going to start gluing my frogs like they are floating in the water. And for this I'm going to glue them straight to the paper. I was thinking to use foam tape, but they have a very thin arms and legs, and I was afraid that they're going to break or something. I also going to glue the lily pad in the bottom part and the flower, and I'm going to add the sentiment that is from Teen Halls, and it says every summer have a story, and I'm going to add drops with the Nuvo drop. Is called Sea Breeze. These are the ones that dry translucent. When it dries, it looks like it's droplets of water. And I also going to add cattails. I think my card was finished now, but I think I need a little bit something that match the frame with the card. Oh, here I'm adding Nubo Trust. No, sorry, I'm adding Fabrica de Coro in green for make the words of the frog to look a little bit dimensional. And here you see me trying to figure out where I want the cattails, and I struggle a little bit with this, but finally I make it work. Well, this is my card for today. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching my videos. Until next card, goodbye.